The top story we're tracking, breaking news coming in Saharanpur on the boil. Shoot-it-side orders have been imposed for curfew violations in the city. 12 more companies of paramilitary forces have been deployed. 2 people were killed and more than 12 injured in violent clashes that broke out between 2 communities over a land dispute earlier today.
बवाल एक निर्माण को लेके हुआ है और अब तक जो घायलों की संख्या है वो घायलों की संख्या 26 है। मृतकों की संख्या 2 है, जिसमें एक ज्ञात है और एक अज्ञात है। वो चूंकि अज्ञात है इसलिए ये कहा भी नहीं जा सकता कि वो इसी घटना की वजह से उसकी मृत्यु हुई है। और कुछ जगहों पे दुकानें जलाई गई हैं, कुछ जगहों पे जो रेहड़ियां होती हैं उन रेहड़ियों को पलटा गया है, कुछ गाड़ियों का नुकसान हुआ है। सिटी एरिया में सिटी के 6 थाना क्षेत्र हैं, जिसमें एक थाना क्षेत्र में पार्शियली जो कि शहर के अंदर है उसमें कर्फ्यू लगाया गया है। स्थिति नियंत्रण में है। कर्फ्यू शहर को बेहतरी की ओर ले जाने का प्रयास का एक नतीजा है।
Heavy deployment of police there in Saharanpur. The latest we're getting is that 12 more companies of paramilitary forces have been deployed. Arson and looting also reported from several parts of the city. We're also being told that shoot-it-side orders have been put into place for those who were found violating the curfew in Saharanpur. Violence took place this morning after a reported land dispute between 2 communities. Let's get in a word from our correspondent on the ground, Jugal Purohit. Jugal, what's the situation like right now?
Simi, there is one correction that we need to inform our viewers about, and that is the fact that in Saharanpur, of course, curfew has been imposed across the entire region, the entire city, across all the police stations. But as of now, there are no shoot-at-sight orders that have been issued. I have just confirmed it with ground sources in Saharanpur, so that stands there. Insofar as the violence is concerned, unfortunately, still minor incidents nevertheless are being reported across the city. In fact, no sooner did the SSP complete his press conference and interaction did we hear about yet another shop being burnt in the main town area of Saharanpur. We are given to understand that there are dozens of arrests which have already taken place in that area. Also, there are more than a dozen people who've been injured and are still recuperating. Unfortunately, 2 deaths have been confirmed to us by ground sources. So that's the overall scale in Saharanpur. Insofar as the paramilitary forces and the police force being rushed to the area, you already spelled out some of the companies which are being rushed there. I can only add that the Central Reserve Police Force, the Rapid Action Force and the UP Police's Provincial Armed Constabulary, all the 3 of them are now on the ground in a bid to try and control the situation, which unfortunately more than 15 hours after the initial trigger for these riots has still not subsided. I just told you, minor incidents being reported from across the city even as we speak.
Well, thanks so much for that update. We'll keep coming back to you for more.